It's cash flow that cripples a business. In this video, I'm going to be looking at 5 benefits of getting upfront payment. If you think getting upfront payment isn't done in your industry, then think again. Nigel Botterill, in his book Botty's Rules, mentions at one stage about his wife setting up her own magazine firm. She went out, she got the number of a locksmith, she rang him up, said no one knew where to go, so would he advertise in the new magazine? It would cost him money up front. He said yes. Later on that day he turned up with a cheque. She didn't know that normally advertising is paid for after publication. So just because you think it isn't done in your industry doesn't mean you can't do it. So let's get on to the benefits. The first benefit is getting payment up front. Helps you with forecasting. It helps you with knowing that you've already been paid for the time that you're going to give to your clients. That you can work out how much you're actually getting paid per hour. It also helps you with your budgets and your planning. So if you have employees, you know you've got the money in to pay their wages. If you've got business premises, you know you've got the money in for the rent. It also allows you to put some aside to make sure that you're covered for any tax bills. It also helps you with knowing how you can pay your suppliers, how much you can invest in yourself and in your company. Number 3, it gives you back value added time, because this is time you're not having to chase for outstanding payments. This is time you're not having to spend picking up the phone, sending out those emails, wondering whether it's going to be coming in, which means you can add more value to your business by getting paid up front. On the back of that, number 4 is it can reduce the stress of running a business. The stress of, are you going to get paid? The stress of, do I need to take this person to court? Do I want to carry on working with them? How long is it going to take them to pay me? If they don't pay me, can I pay these people? What am I going to do about the VAT bill because I've got so much outstanding? All of that is gone when you get payment up front. And the 5th one is better relationships. Now, yes, business relationships, obviously, but you've got relationships with your bank. You've got relationships with your suppliers. Having payment up front means you can pick up the phone to your suppliers and say, brilliant, I've received your invoice. If I pay you today, what discount will you give me? It can get you better relationships and it can save you money. But more importantly than that, because you've reduced the stress as we spoke about in number 4, it gives you a better relationship with your friends, your family, your partners. It means you're able to enjoy life more. So do you have an upfront payment clause in your contract? If not, seriously think about getting one. It doesn't have to be the full amount up front, but some upfront payment relieves so much in business. And do remember that it is cash flow that cripples a business, not customers. I'm Rachel, the Contracts Lady, Cash Flow Queen, here to answer any questions you may have.